Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to get remote assistance using Quick Assist on Windows 11. Quick Assist is a Windows tool that can help you receive assistance from another trusted person. First, click on the Start button. Now search for Quick Assist. Click on Quick Assist to open the application. Once Quick Assist opens, you may notice that the available options can be different depending on your Windows version. In my version of Quick Assist, there is no separate Get Help button displayed on the main screen, so I'm not going to look for an option that is not available here. Instead, I'll explain how the remote assistance process works. Normally, when you want to receive help, the person providing assistance starts a Quick Assist session and generates a security code. The trusted person then gives you that security code. You can use the code on your Quick Assist screen to begin the connection process. After the code is entered, Quick Assist can show the connection details and ask for permission to continue. Once the connection is approved, the trusted person can provide remote assistance and help you troubleshoot problems on your computer. For security, you should only accept assistance from someone you know and trust. Also, never share a Quick Assist security code with unknown people. For this tutorial, I'm not connecting to another computer. I'm only explaining the process because the Get Help option is not available on my screen. So if you do not see the same option on your computer, don't worry. The Quick Assist interface can vary between Windows versions and updates. The important thing to remember is that remote assistance requires a trusted person, a valid security code, and your approval before the session can begin. And that's the basic process for getting remote assistance with Quick Assist. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope this guide was helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more easy Windows tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.